Hello friends and welcome to Pendulum IAS. Today we'll study UPSC Current Affair quiz of 18 June 2020. First of all, if you have not subscribed to our channel Pendulum IAS, please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications. Now let's start the session. Which of the following countries are the founding members of the Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence? China, South Korea, India, UK, USA and Brazil. You have to select the correct answer using the codes given below: 2, 4 and 5, 1, 3, 4 and 5, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the correct answer is option D, that is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Recently, India has joined the Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence (GPAI) as a founding member. India can now participate in the global development of artificial intelligence. The Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence is the first of its kind initiative that aims to guide the responsible use and development of AI, and also it aims to understand the challenges and opportunities of artificial intelligence. Its founding members are the United States, Britain, European Union, Australia, Canada, France, New Zealand, South Korea, Singapore, Slovenia, Italy, Germany, Japan and Mexico. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. Moving to the next question. Consider the following statements about SIPRI report 2020. Russia and the United States together possess more than 90% of global nuclear weapons. Second, China and Pakistan possess more nuclear weapons than India. So, which of the above given statements is or are true? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So the correct answer is option C, that is both statements 1 and 2 are correct. Stockholm International Peace Research Institute SIPRI's Yearbook 2020 has been released recently. The major highlights of the yearbook are: as of January 2020, US, Russia, UK, France, China, India, Pakistan, North Korea and Israel, that is the 9 nuclear possessing countries. The 9 nuclear weapon processing countries together account for around 13,400 nuclear weapons. China and Pakistan have more nuclear weapons than India. China is developing nuclear triad for the first time, made up of new land and sea-based missiles and nuclear capable fighter jets. Russia and the United States together possess more than 90% of global nuclear weapons with 6,375 and 5,800 warheads respectively. This SIPRI's yearbook assesses the current state of armaments, disarmament and international security till January 2020. India was the third biggest military spender in the world last year after China and USA. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Now you have to tell me that where are the headquarters of SIPRI located. This is a question for you. Moving to the next question. Which of the following statements is not true? 1/3 of all food produced each year is lost or wasted. World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought is observed every year on 17 June. Theme for World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought 2020 is Food, Feed, Fiber, and SDG 16 is related to restoring degraded lands. So the statement which is incorrect is option D, that is SDG 16 is not related to restoring degraded lands, but it is related to promoting just, peaceful and inclusive societies. Now you have to tell me that which sustainable development goal is related to hunger. Mention that in comment box. World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought is celebrated every year on 17 June to highlight the efforts taken at the international level to combat desertification. The theme for World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought 2020 is Food, Feed, Fiber. 1/3 of all food produced each year is lost or wasted. Sustainable Development Goal 15 aims to protect, restore and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forest, combat desertification and halt and reverse land degradation and halt biodiversity loss. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. Moving to the next question. Which of the following organization releases World Investment Report? World Bank, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, World Economic Forum and World Trade Organization. So the correct answer is option B, that is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development releases World Investment Report. You have to tell me that ease of doing business. This report always remains in news, ease of doing business report. Which organization releases this ease of doing business report? You have to mention that. Recently, World Investment Report 2020 has been released. This report is released annually by the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD. This year, it is the 30th edition of this report. A new chapter on investment in the SDGs, that is Sustainable Development Goals, has also been included this year. The major highlights of the report are: global FDI flows are predicted to decline by up to 40% in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. FDI flows to developed economies rose by 5% to $800 billion from their revised level of $761 billion in 2018. FDI flows to developing economies declined marginally by 2% to $685 billion, and the total value of announced greenfield projects in the primary sector halved to $21 billion, mostly due to a decline in mining and quarrying. India was among the top 5 host economies for FDI in Asia. According to the report, India was the world's 9th largest recipient of FDI in 2019, and the maximum investment was in the information and communication technology (ICT) and the construction industry. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Moving to the next question, where are the headquarters of IAEA located? New York, Stockholm, Vienna and Rome. So the correct answer is option C, that is its headquarters are located in Vienna, Austria. You have to tell me who is the current head of this organization. Current head of IAEA. This is a question for you. Tell me who is the current head of IAEA. International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA is an international organization that is the center for cooperation in the nuclear field, promoting safe and secure use of nuclear technology. It was established in 1957 and is headquartered in Vienna, Austria. Recently, IAEA conducted an inquiry meeting on Iran's nuclear program. IAEA found that Iran has not complied with the 2015 nuclear deal, and also the nuclear fuel reserves have been increased significantly in Iran. IAEA, UN nuclear watchdogs governing body, has shown concern in a report that Iran has been blocking inspections at the site where nuclear activity may have occurred. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. So friends, here we have covered daily current affair quiz of 18 June. I hope that you like this session. Please like this video, share it as much as you can, and also if you have any doubt, you can mention that in comment box. Answer the questions which were asked during the session, and keep preparing with us. Thank you so much.